Alright guys, welcome back. Sorry it's been a minute since last upload, but still working on this one. I was waiting for parts and stuff. We've bought a little FIAT 500 off Facebook, classic. It's nice, it's FIAT 500 pop, 1.2 petrol on 95,000 miles. No AC, 5-speed, clutch feels good. It's quite clean already, I haven't done anything to it yet. Bit of sill damage here. It's interesting. It's got nice steelies on. Just needs a good clean really. A couple of little things with it that need doing. This side looks good. I'll just get rid of these things on here and stuff like that. Clean it up nicely. Change the number plates or something, get rid of that. New badges. This rear wiper doesn't work, that needs fixing. There's an exhaust below, we've just figured out what it is. Sounds like a bath or something. Lights need cleaning up. And up in the hood here. I don't know. Put that on first, Grant. Yeah, it looks like it's leaking from the gasket, the exhaust manifold gasket, so to take all that apart and have a look. I've just took this box off so we can take that back off and then fix that so we don't have that blow anymore. See what else other little things it's got, but it's got 7 months MOT and stuff, so hopefully make a couple £100 on it. 600-700 quid or something. Get it fixed up, should be nice. Alright, so we're just in the process of removing the heat shield. A couple 10mm bolts. Grant's just struggling with this one in the corner here.
Shear it off.
See what happens.
You will not.
Just keep going up, it doesn't even matter too much. Need to get it off. So we'll get that removed and see what's underneath, see if we can see exactly where the leak is. We're pretty sure it's the gasket that goes onto the engine block, but we'll see in a minute. Alright, just while Grant's trying to get this other bolt out, the heat shield is quite tight and frustrating. I'll just give you a quick update on the Astra. Got the tyre sorted, it was the valve stem was leaking. I don't know if I mentioned it. That's all sorted now. Guy did it for free as well, which was nice of him. Got the front end back on. The headlights still need adjusting. Windscreen's all sorted. Looks like a bird's done its business on it, which is nice. Still needs a good wash though, it's filthy. I really need to get on with that, give it a wash. But yeah, interior's all sorted. Interior is just lovely now. Just the headlights need putting into position really. I need to sort them out. The work, they just ain't lined up properly, so that needs sorting. But I'm quite happy with the bonnet alignment. Obviously there is this little mark or dent here, which I would like to try and sort. Apart from that, Astra's good. So sort the headlights out, give it a good clean, maybe do something with the bonnet, and then that's ready to get sold. And we'll work on this for the minute. Pretty decent. I do like these little FIAT 500s, good little cars to sell. I was driving it back as well, 30 minutes, nice drive.
I don't know if it's the same bolt.
Different size?
I'm not sure.
Right, let's try to get this out. Alright guys, we had to do some questionable things to this. This bolt would not come out. It had to be the most awkward one as well. If it was that one, probably would have been fine. That one, absolutely fine. That one, fine. Any of the top ones, fine. But no, it's this one here that you just couldn't get to. I mean, that'll probably go again, to be fair, but nah, they're cheap. You can buy a new one on them. That's just took way too long. But you can see it now. And we've also come to another conclusion why it was sold on Facebook. if you have a little look, we haven't touched any of this yet. Obviously just took the shield off, but there you go. There's 2 bolts missing, which I imagine, oh, what's that? We already figured it out. Leave your light a bit, man.
They're either snapped or they're just not in there.
I think they're in there, mush.
Oh, that's good.
So yeah, someone's had trouble with it and then just thought, yeah, fuck that, and now it's blowing. Alright, we've put it all back together because it started raining. Obviously we've got that exhaust shield off. We know what the problem is with them studs. Underneath it's rotten as well, so that's blowing from there, so it's like 2 locations. We're pretty confident we can fix that. Give it a good service. It says when you start it the boot's open, even though it's not, so there's like this symbol to say the boot's open. So we need to fix that, probably a sensor or something. And the rear wiper might not work either, possibly. The guy was saying I haven't tested it yet, but yeah. So we've got a bit to get on with it, but not terrible. Probably bought a new key as well. Alright guys, I thought I'd just quickly show this. I've bought some new key covers because, well, that one's messed up. That is missing a button, so I'm a bit concerned that might not work, so I might have to buy a button or something. But yeah, it's a mess, so I've bought a new key cover for it. And then this one, well, this has got like a cover on it, but it looks pretty disgusting. And like the case feels all minging and it doesn't shut properly and just like folds out and stuff. So bought a new key cover for it. So we'll get all them switched over for the FIAT and the Astra. It should look nice after that. Alright, so got both the keys sorted now. Look way better than before. Can't put that back in. All the buttons, this button here doesn't click because the inside on the little motherboard it's got has like one of the buttons is broken, so that one doesn't click. The rest works, so I might have to try and figure that out. Got a badge on the back, I just glued it on. Looks alright. I already had this one, which works perfectly, and it's got the buttons and everything. FIAT one though, that one looks great, brand new. Got the old badge on it. All the buttons work. Oh, nice easy fix. Makes it look 100 times better. Alright, so I'm back on the FIAT, and I've removed that exhaust clamp there that was doing fuck all. Where's it at? This one just snapped off, and that one was like rounded. I just want to show you this fucking... Alright, so I did not snap that. That was pre-snapped. And it screws back in. So I think a lot of these might be snapped. I've just loosened this one, I didn't even have to put any force into it, and I bet it's the same deal. But look, there's no force going into that. Let's see how long the threads are on it. Yeah, they're short as well. Look, they're all snapped. Oh, fucking hell. Let's see what these ones are like. Alright, looks like they didn't manage to get to this side. They've absolutely destroyed all 4 of them. But they did not get to this side because I managed to remove the 2 nuts by simply tightening, loosening, loosening, and then they came right off, no problem. So, I don't know what the hell went on this side. But them 2 are sound now. So we need to get the 2 bottom ones, see if they come off, because that side's already come off. I'll try to show you. And that side's still got 2 nuts on. Right, I've managed to remove them all. I don't know if you'll be able to see down here. I've got 3 nuts off, and this one I removed the whole thing, so that's fine because I can just replace it with a new one. But didn't snap any, so I don't know what the fuck we're playing out on this side. But that's loose now, so we can remove it. Just need to take the other sensor off at the bottom. Alright, so I've took it off. As you see, I've got 3 decent studs. That one down there I unscrewed, so all 4 of them are fine. I mean, if I can get this nut off, it'll be fine. I could tighten it back up like that, but I'll just buy a new one. So that side's fine, and this is the side they're fucked with. And they're all fucked, every single one of them. That one's shit, that one is, that one, and that one. As you can see, all the soot. Them 2 are pretty much fine, but these 2 are fucked. You see the back of it. But the best bit is this gasket. So that's not bad, it's not great. Obviously that side is just absolutely destroyed. The back side of this is knackered as well, so I don't know who went in here or what they did, but they did not take the gasket off and replace it, that's for sure. So I have no idea what went on there. Absolute muppet. But yeah, it's fully removed, so we can clean it up and hopefully drill these out, but I don't know, I'm not the best at doing that. I'll try and show you. I'm not sure what these bottom ones might try to screw something in. But yeah, that's where we're at. Alright guys, so I'm probably going to try and get someone to draw them out for me, because I'm not very good at doing that. This never went really that well for me. So I'll probably try and get someone to drill them studs out for me, and then we can put new ones in. But obviously I need to order them and get someone to do that. And then obviously the door lock still needs fixing. I'm going to try and sort out in the meantime. Then you put the code reader on it as well, see what if there's any issues or anything with it. There's a couple of like little things to do. Obviously I fixed the key in that now. We obviously know what the problem is with the exhaust. It's leaking from the bottom and the top. The manifold and the clamp that holds it, the cat to the pipe. So we can fix both of them. Need all of the bits obviously. Get someone to drill the studs out so it's perfect. Might have to helicoil it or something, we don't know yet. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this little video. The next video should be hopefully the Astra. Still need to fix some bits on that. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.